Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
They do not typically attack humans, but will bite and possibly constrict if they feel threatened, or mistake a hand for food. A python may exhibit different biting strategies based on circumstance. In a prey bite, the python strikes, coils around its prey and does not let go.
Let's help you make your mark.
Top 5 things you need to do if you get bitten by a snake. Call an ambulance immediately. You should treat any snake bite as an emergency, regardless of whether you think the snake was venomous or not. Don't panic and don't move. Leave the snake alone. Apply a pressure immobilization bandage and splint. Don't wash, suck, cut or tourniquet the bite.
Take our lead.
You will probably feel the effects of a python bite because it can cause scratches, puncture wounds, bruising, and even possibly deeper internal damage. These bites may be painful during the bite and as your injuries heal.
Let's help you make your mark.
In general, most non-venomous snake species commonly kept as pets are gentle and do not typically bite their owners if they are unprovoked. All species can, however, bite unexpectedly if they are startled or excessively hungry.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.